Morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. What is happening? Welcome to Chandigarh. As always, I open the vlog and guess who is there? So yeah, welcome back to my channel. Today there's some puja in house because there is Raksha Bandhan, and then I'll explore a little more today. Today I'll go to Nick Baker's. I'm trying for that, my best. So I'm just sitting and editing the vlogs. The weather is really nice. So it's gonna rain again today. I'm 100% sure it's gonna rain again today. Good morning, people from Chandigarh. Check this out. Song is being played in the background. Can you hear? I will get copyright. Cooking something. Obviously not me. Oh. See this guy. Can you see this guy? See this guy. The moment I say come, he'll come. Look at those eyes. Don't fall for those eyes. Oil. Not as much as
namak, just to let it neutralize.
Okay. Just to let the oil neutralize.
पता मैं कितने दिन से इसको राई समझ, आपको पता है क्या गरम क्या है? Potato chili input. चलाओ.
This is chili. Priyanka teaching me. So as usual, you add haldi, turmeric, and then you have to mix well and let it boil or cook. Not boil, cook a little bit. Then add the main ingredients. That's the choha. That means poha.
चलो चला लो, मैं ब्लॉक कर रही हूँ.
Nice. Doing the seed. I only cut these. I only put these. But these many chilies I didn't add, so I have to watch out for these. There are blots. It looks yum. Best ingredient in this is potato. Try it next time. You know, when I make poha, add potato. It's gonna be yum. Guys, I wanted to show you. I got something from Priyanka, a beautiful gift. This is so nice. I'll show you. I'll show you the bottle inside. This is Jaguar. How we know it as Jagur. It's just a joke. Anyways, let me pull it out and show it to you. This is how it is. Class. Beautiful gold finish, classy finish, and very nice, guys. Very nice. Thank you, Priyanka. And the essence of it smells too good, like perfect, something like that I wanted. पता नहीं एकदम से voice बैठ गई. I don't know. Excuse me. So the plan now is it's a Raksha Bandhan, right? So gone English, gone to dogs. It's a Raksha Bandhan. It's Raksha Bandhan, right? So Puja Gija is there. That's why I've gotten ready. Wearing this with kache pache. Let me stand and show you. See.
पूजा का
है तो ये जो पंडित करे कथा जो है, ये जो पंडित है जो आता है अपने स्केड्यूल पे, इसका मैं स्केड्यूल चेंज करूं पंडित का. तमीज़ी कर सकते हैं.
क्या सुनाते लगे पूछना.
वीर हनुमान ऊंचे आसन बैठ। पूज्य आप सब प्राणियों के हित की बात पूछी है। अब मैं उस श्रेष्ठ व्रत को आप लोगों से कहूंगा जिसे नारद जी ने श्री लक्ष्मीनारायण भगवान से पूछा था और श्री लक्ष्मीपति मुनि श्रेष्ठ नारद जी को बताया था। यह कथा प्रश्न किया है। इस व्रत करने से मनुष्य मोह से छूट जाता है। जिस व्रत में को मैं तुमसे कहता हूँ सुनो, बहुत पुण्य देने वाला है। स्वर्ग और मृत्युलोक दोनों में दुर्लभ एक उत्तम व्रत है जो आज मैं लगनारा भील अगले जन्म में गुहू नामक निषाद राजा हुआ जिसने भगवान राम के चरणों की सेवा कर मोक्ष प्राप्त किया। बोलो सत्यनारायण भगवान की जय।
यार ये मेरा कोई ब्लू डार्ट चला गया है घर पे, पता नहीं मैंने क्या कहा। ओम जय
छोटा बच्चा है वो नीचे दिए उनके बेटा। Just yum. Heading out to Sumna Lake, I think. Before that, one coffee break. Check this out. The band dog in India. It's a pitbull. And the owner also looks like a pitbull. And check this out. Finally, I got a place to shoot and show you this. It's right at the entrance. That's how you go that side. That's the dam there. Kaushalya Dam. You can see it from everywhere. See? And there's so much water this side as well as this side. But yesterday it was much more. Let me just go that side and show you before people run me over. Check this out. Oh my god. Whew. And that's the dam. See? Crazy. Yes, we'll go for a picture. I want to show you all this one. Water was too much yesterday. It's not raining as much today. It just started raining now. Otherwise I would have shown it to you guys. Check it out. Love it. Chalo. Before people abuse, let me go. Finally. See, this is called brand loyal, being brand loyal. Wow, even in Chandigarh. Excellent. Password inside. Wow. Same like Mumbai also I sent one, no? So that. तो ये सब भी करते हैं क्या? वुड भी है। Take care. See you later. Did a lot of shopping here. Need to go now. Check out this place, Sagar Ratna. What a place this is, dude. Seriously.
प्यार करता है, रात को भी प्यार करता है आपको, बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है।
Guys, heading to Sukra Lake finally after the shopping and third wave coffee. So full bumpers on. Yeah, it says 20 minutes for 7 kilometers. It's still alright. Look at the size of the roads. It's crazy. Like I should shift here someday. Somehow we like this park. Crazy. Too much of fogging happening.
इस जगह को छोड़ना नहीं चाहते लोग। सबसे बेस्ट और पीजीआई है, सबसे बेस्ट मेडिकल फैसिलिटी है यहाँ पर। लोग दुनिया से आते हैं ना पीजीआई चंडीगढ़।
One of the biggest around guys. It looks like you're traveling in the fog, but it's not. It's just an illusion. Outside it is super humid. Inside AC is on now. Another probably 4 minutes we'll reach. No money, no honey. No guys. Actually there is fog guys. Weird. It's hot, foggy, weird. It is Sukra Lake and it's actually, it is misty. I'm not kidding, but it's hot. Weather is hot. Weird. Very excited. Actually missed. Actually a missed. Mom who stopped us saying you can't go. We were like, for what? He's saying गाड़ी बंद पड़ी है. Trying to search कहाँ पर.
पार्किंग प्रॉब्लम है,
Parking issue.
पार्किंग इशू है,
Let's
इसके
see.
दिमाग में पार्किंग इशू है।
Just a way of I think making money. Skills. This is Sukra Lake. Nati, when will you come? Missing her. So, some play area here, place to sit there. Look at this. This is actually missed. See, crazy. I come here during 2022 in the night. Actually, from here you can see hills, but it's all covered by mist. I'll show you. Let me reach there. Check that out. The entire stretch. You can see the lake. Starts from there, goes up all the way there. Crazy. Check that out. I don't know whether you can see there. The end there you can see. See? Crazy. It's too hazy. Weirdly, because it's too actually hot, it's not cold. Pathway here. Came from there, that end there. There we walked all the way. I wish came a little earlier. See, huge lake and it's weirdly misty and it's not cold also. Right? Weird. Such my temperature is around what 29 if you can see and see how it is. Weird. What the hell is that? This is blood moon. I'm not kidding. See? Let me try reducing the exposure and I'll show you. See? Check this out. Looks like I cannot get my eyes off it. We actually thought it was the sun, but it's towards the east, so it is the moon, blood moon. I don't know where these guys went to go now. Time to leave. Very hungry. Let's see. The founders of Chandigarh have offered this lake, see, to the view of the city, so that may escape the humidity, humdrum of the city. Okay, nice lake. We zoom in a little, yeah. Otherwise the night vision you can't see. You have to see if dogs are sleeping and go. Look at this beautiful moon. I'm not able to get my eyes over this. The beauty of moon. Crazy. Wish I had a DSLR. Would have clicked much better. Just like this one was there where the details of the lake was written, like the founders of the city provided this lake as a gift. I'll read it out, or you guys can read it out. It's called Sukana Lake, SUKNA. Let's see what we can get to eat, some snacks and get out. Uncle was dancing. Let's go. Another structure like this. There are park kinds here. Beautiful, it is very nice. But it's very humid. The haze went off, that means it's going to rain in a bit. I think suddenly I've become the weather prediction guy. Time is around 8 o'clock. Chaat and Dahi Balla chaat. This is a chaat shop. I'm having a little bit of chaat because it takes us 45 minutes to reach this tikki happening. Tikki. Dahi Papri chaat. This is Dahi Balla. That's the place. Lake Sukana. So heading to Elante Mall next. Wait Madi and see what it will. Probably have planned to have dinner there. Come to Spiti Valley, there. Come here. I love Chandigarh, Elante Mall. Oh yeah. We were supposed to come here. I didn't come because we were chilling in the hotel. Now come here. I know. I think that's the only mall here called Elante, I guess. I don't know. AC atmosphere, so it is pretty good. Food court has so many places, so just went off. Oh, Independence Day next week. Very good. Proud of this. Beautiful. Proud of India. Making India something. All here. So, brands that exist. Armani, Gas, Boss. Wow. Oh, crazy. Oh, Wonder Chandigarh is Chandigarh. Wow. Crazy. And I have to go to the washroom. Gant. Wow. Brilliant. God. Oh, my weakness. Nahi. Oh my God. First No, Shri, thank you. Finally here. There's a food court kinds with all restaurants on this floor. A to Z. We are going where? To Sagar Ratna. Best, safe, amazing food. That you get here.
मस्त है.
Dosa, this is butter masala dosa. This is missi roti with dal makhani. Finished eating, now heading back home. Took few parcels. These are all the brands available here. See? Air Force, Navy, Army. Navy, where is the ship? Oh. This is an aircraft carrier, the ship. Oh. Nice. Very well done. I love Chandigarh. Wow. Thank you so much. It was an awesome time. It's right in front of Elante Mall. Now let's get out. Full fog. The best word is. See, this is called, trying his level best. Now he'll start barking because I'm ignoring him. Now if I tell him to sit, he'll listen. Sit! No, no shaken. Enough. Now he'll bark 100% sure. Good boy. Huh? Good boy. Good night. Bom. Hello guys, yes, it is the next day. I forgot to close the vlog, so I'm ending it now because the previous one which I ended it became corrupt, so I couldn't upload it. So I'm closing the vlog now. So yeah, it was a peaceful day yesterday, very eventful. First of all, happy Raksha Bandhan. I mean, we were seeing the next day. So we guys, got up early, ate good food. The best part was we had first of all Raksha Bandhan, then Satyanarayana Katha, then lunch was mind blowing, it was too good, festival lunch basically. Then after that Priyanka took me out to see Sukna Lake. It was amazing. Before that she took me to the best place ever, Third Wave Coffee, where there was this crossword inside Third Wave. It was like a brilliant experience, and the crowd, have no words, too good. So one amazing city to settle down, guys, I'm not kidding. So yeah, and after that saw Sukna Lake, took some amazing pics there, and then decided to go to Elante Mall, eat some good food. We belted in Sagar Ratna, you guys saw it. So it was one hell of an amazing experience, and it was the last day in Chandigarh. So thank you so much, Priyanka, and it was an amazing time. So yeah guys, I hope you guys like the vlog. Check it out, comment Wadi, let me know what you want to see next, and a lot of traveling is happening, so wherever I get to travel, whatever I will show it to you. Thank you for watching, and whoever hasn't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Please always subscribe, like, comment, share, buddy. Yes, I miss Alex, the golden retriever, and Tintin, the German Shepherd. So take care, guys. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Love you. See you.